Get on the bike. Get on the bike. Get on.
What's grooving YouTube? This your boy Backyard Trick coming at you with another video. Gonna continue to build on the 82 El Camino. Need to finish taking the motor apart. Well, taking it apart from the car so we can get ready to pull it and get ready for a new heart. I got a lot of parts to put on, but I want to get this motor out first. So with further ado, I'm gonna continue to take the bottom end of the motor apart and get ready to get it out. So I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse and get to it. So this is where we're at right now. We need to take the manifold off of the exhaust and take the starter off and do the same thing on the other side. So I'm gonna put you guys back on the time lapse while I get this done. At this point, I think I'm just gonna pull the engine and the transmission, make it easier. So put you guys back on the time lapse and get this done. So as you see, I got two of them off. I have to get an extension to get the third one off, and then we'll be done with this side and I can start on the other side. So put you guys back on the time lapse and continue on the grind. So we have a problem. For some reason this stud is longer than this one, so I'm gonna have to take this one off with an open end wrench. So I'm gonna cut you guys off while I find a wrench that fits it and get back to work. So apparently I need a deep socket 9/16, and I can't seem to find any of my deep sockets. So Harbor Freight, here we come. Look like it's time to spend some money now. I'm only going in here for one thing. One thing. We'll see how this works. I almost did it. I almost only got one thing, but you know Harbor Freight. Anything you need, they got. So I went in there for one thing and I came out with three. When in need, Harbor Freight got what you need. So I got what I need. I'm gonna get back to work. So I got the longest socket. So let's get back to work. So all three bolts on each side are undone. What am I looking for? So now we can move on to taking this starter off, and what else can I do up under here? Take the transmission loose from the drive shaft. That's not too hard. So I'm gonna put you guys back on the time lapse and get back to work. So I'm gonna take this starter off. We got 2 bolts to take out. I already unhooked it from the top, so everything else should be loose. Do that from the top, and then I can take this starter all the way out. Then we almost done with the bottom. All I think I have to do next, drain all the fluids and undo the drive shaft, and I will pretty much be done. I'm not sure if I will have to take out the whole exhaust system yet or not, but we will see when we get there. So I'm gonna keep grinding, and I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse. So I was able to get the starter out. That motherfucker been in there for a minute. So gotta figure out what I'm gonna do next. Like I said, I do still have to disconnect the drive shaft. That's nothing. Not sure if I'm gonna have to take the whole exhaust system out yet, but that's nothing either. I do have a little bit more to do. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take the exhaust manifolds off. They undone from the bottom, but just to make it easier, go ahead and take them off from up top. That's nothing but I think 4 bolts on each side, and then once I do the drive shaft, that should be about it. Then we'll be ready to pull that bad boy. Alright, YouTube, with this, just that little bit of work, I'm dirty as hell. So I guess this is the end of this video. So until next time, like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.